Here we've got the Athearn Genesis GP15-1 with Soundtraxx Tsunami 2 sound. Let's see what you get in the box on this product demo. So this model will set you back MSRP $289.98, but obviously if you've been around the block a while, you know that there are some discounts out there at brick and mortar hobby shops and online retailers that will bring the price down significantly. You got the Tsunami 2 quick start guide in here, kind of familiarizes you with all the features of Tsunami 2, a lot different than the original Tsunami. You've got a manual with DCC and sound functions and exploded parts for ordering parts, and shows you how to disassemble the locomotive really with that exploded parts diagram. Warranty from Genesis, or Athearn Genesis. More information on the warranty. Athearn news flyer. And inside the box we've got the GP15-1. Typical plastic and foam packing from Athearn. Get this out of the box here. And we'll get the foam pieces out, protect the handrails, and take a closer look. Alright, we've got everything unpacked. We're going to take a close look at the locomotive, and a quick look too, really. Here on the front, you really can tell, sticking out like a sore thumb, are those dual cab air conditioning units up top here. You've got antenna arrays on the side, Sinclair antennas. You've got separately applied grab irons, windshield wipers, handrails up front. This one is a little tilted in. Got it a little smushed. Tilted it out. It went back to place here. Low mounted ditch lights under the anti-climber with an MU hose, coupler cut lever, accessory hoses, air brake line, McHenry coupler on the side. You see the new CSX boxcar logo. Of course, it's not so new anymore, but it's been around a little while. You do have a cab interior, but no cab figures, cab sunshades. Yellow sill, which is FRA mandated. Nice truck detail with sanding lines, low mounted bell, fuel tank detail with sight glass and emergency shutoff. Your blower housing, dustbin hatch, lift rings, horn, radiator fan grills on the back. And as we go to the back, you have the tail lights, which all the lights are incandescent, by the way, low mounted ditch lights again. McHenry coupler again, accessory hoses again, and the air line and coupler cut lever again. CSX boxcar logo on the back, number board's not lit. Compartment detail is decent, a little difference on the door up here versus all these compartment doors. Emergency labels appear to be clear and legible, but you will probably actually have a better look than I will, because the power of zoom is much better for you than me until you go out of focus just like that. And you gotta go all the way back and start again. But there you have the warning labels. Labels adorning the locomotive like that. Since we're all extreme view here, just take a look at the inside. A little bit more reflection there, but roof. See the lift rings all in place and all the accoutrements on the roof there. Got a sand filler hatch on the back end. And in extreme close-up mode, you can see all those windshield wiper details as well. Very thin, prototypically correct looking windshield wipers. You got the nose, which is now out of focus, but there you have all the detail on there as well. So that's it for detail. Let's look at some operation. Apply track power so you can hear startup sequence. Listen to some sounds here. Check some features including headlight. Headlight and ditch lights work. We're going to go to bell. Horn. Sounds really good from that Tsunami 2 decoder. Short horns F3. Very responsive there. F4's dynamic brakes. Which you get as it moves. Not sure if this is actually equipped or not. I don't think it is. Probably why you're not hearing it. F5 and 6 are lighting effects. F7 is dimmer, which works. F8 is mute, which works. F9 is alternate mixer, which cuts the volume in half. F10 is brake set. You can literally set this. I'm sorry, F11 is brake set. So you set this. Maybe. So those are just some of the functions of Tsunami 2. We also have things like digital exhaust, digital dynamic exhaust, which when the locomotive's under load, the RPMs from the prime mover will adjust. Checking to see if in reverse the ditch lights flash. So we have forward and reverse, the ditch lights flash. Very, very nice feature there with the Tsunami 2 decoder. I'm going to check the pull test on this. It's like about 2.1. So you're looking at about 30 cars for this locomotive that's primarily used as a switcher or with a consist of other locomotives anyway. Check slow speed control of this little fella here. There's one speed step. The brake squeal you heard was F11. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Check reverse. One speed step in reverse. Very smooth operation here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I moved it way up there. Towards the end. I did have to reset the decoder because there was no notch up in the RPMs, the prime mover, but now we're good to go. Now you can hear the prime mover kick up and increase speeds. Well, that's going to do it for this video on the Athearn GP15-1 with Tsunami 2 sound. I'm going to leave you with a run-by of the locomotive here at the grade crossing with just a couple auto racks. We'll see you next time right here on my channel. Take care.